Hello coders, I welcome you all. In this video, we are going to discuss operators in Python. Python supports a rich set of built-in operators. So what is an operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. These operators operate on operands. What is an operand? An operand is an object on which the operator operates. They usually form a part of mathematical or logical expressions. What is an expression? An expression is a sequence of operands and operators that reduces to a single value. So let me write 10 plus 20. So this is an expression. So as I said, an expression is a sequence of operands and operators that reduces to a single value. So this expression reduces to a single value 30, right? Operands can be a constant or a variable. So here 10 and 20 both are operands and this plus is an operator. So here both operands are constant. Also we can write a plus b. Here a and b both are operands and this plus is an operator. Here both operands are variables. Hope all of you are clear with operator, operand and expression. So what is an operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. These operators operate on operands. So what is an operand? An operand is an object on which the operator operates. So what is an expression? An expression is a sequence of operands and operators that reduces to a single value. So the operators are classified based on the following criteria. First, number of operands on which the operator operates. Please remember, number of operands on which the operator operates. Shortly we will discuss this. Second, task performed by the operators. So now let's first discuss this one. Number of operands on which the operator operates. So the first classification is on the basis of number of operands that are required for using an operator. So the operators are divided into three types based on the number of operands on which they operate. Unary operators, binary operators, and ternary operators. So please remember this classification of operators based on number of operands on which the operator operates. So here let me write x is equal to 10 plus minus 20. So here minus is an unary operator as it operates on one operand 20, and here plus is binary operator. Why? Because it operates on two operands 10 and 20. So please remember this minus is an unary operator and this plus is binary operator because it operates on two operands. And we will discuss ternary operator in upcoming videos. Please remember ternary operator operates on three operands. That's why it is called as ternary operator. So hope all of you are clear with this. Unary operators, binary operators and ternary operator. This classification of operators based on number of operands on which the operator operates. Unary operators work on a single operand. Binary operators require two operands for performing the operation. Ternary operator requires three operands for performing the operation. Hope you clear with this. So now let's discuss next. As we discuss, the second classification is the based on the task that the operators perform. The task could be arithmetic calculations, logical operations, etc. Right? So based on the task performed by the operator, the operators are categorized as follows: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operators. We will discuss these operators one by one. So now let's start with first arithmetic operators. As you can see here, different arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations. There are 7 arithmetic operators in Python that you can see here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, also called as a modulo or mode or remainder operator. Next is floor division, an exponent or power operator. Here you can see a plus sign b means add a and b. A minus sign b means subtract b from a. A asterisk sign b means multiply a and b. A forward slash b means divide a by b. A mod sign b means remainder of a divided by b. A 2 forward slash b, which is floor division. And what will be the output of this? Largest integer less than or equal to the result of a divided by b. Don't you worry, we will discuss this operator in detail shortly. Now, exponent or power operator, you can see a double asterisk sign b means a is multiplied b times. So these are different arithmetic operators. So now let's take different examples. So as you can see here, in this example, I have taken a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 2. Both are integers. So here you can see 10 plus 2. Output is 12. 10 minus 2, output is 8. 10 into 2, output is 20. 10 divided by 2, here you can see output is float type. As you can see here, both values are integer type, but still output is float type. So please remember, normal division always performs floating point arithmetic and returns float value. Please remember this. Now here 10 mod 2, obviously output is 0. Remainder of a divided by b. So as you can see here, 10 floor division 2, output is 5. Here you can see both are integers and output value is also integer type. Please remember this. In floor division, if both arguments of integer type, then output is integer type. So now 10 power operator 2, which is 10 raised to 2, that will perform 10 into 10. Here you can see a is multiplied b times, so output is 100, that you can see over here. So please remember, here both values are integer. So now let's take another example. So as you can see here, in this example, a is equal to 10.5 and b is equal to 2. So here I am taking one float value and one integer value just for teaching learning purpose. Both values can be float type as well. So here you can see 10.5 plus 2, 12.5. 10.5 minus 2, output is 8.5. 10.5 into 2, output is 21.0. Here you can see 10.5 divided by 2, output is 5.25. Now 10.5 mod 2, output is 0.5. So I have taken this example just to show you we can operate this modulo operator on floating point number as well in Python. This is invalid in C. We can't operate modulo operator on floating point number in C. So here you can see 10.5 floor division 2. Output is 5.0, which is floating point value, which is largest integer less than or equal to the result of a divided by b. So here I have taken this example just to show you we can operate floor division on floating point value as well. So please remember, in floor division, if both values are of integer type, then output is integer type. So in floor division, if one of the value of float type, it can be here or here as well. If one of the value of float type, then output is float type. Please remember this for floor division that you can see over here. Now 10.5 raised to 2, this is the output. Here I have taken this example just to show you we can operate this power operator on floating point number as well, that you can see over here. So now let's take more examples for normal division, floor division and power operator. So as you can see here, normal division 10 divided by 2, output is 5.0. Again here normal division 10.5 divided by 2, output is 5.25. Again float type. So as I said, normal division always performs floating point arithmetic and returns float value, that you can see over here. So normal division always returns float value. Please remember this. So before we discuss how floor division calculates the result, let's discuss power operator first. So here you can see 10.5 raised to 2. And this is the output. A is multiplied b times. So here 10.5 into 10.5 and this is the output. This example just to show you we can operate power operator on floating point number as well. As you can see in this example we have used floating point number over here, and in this example we have used floating point number over here 2 raised to 0.5, which calculates square root of 2. So this way we can calculate square root of any number using power operator, that you can see over here. Any number raised to 0.5, which calculate the square root of that particular number. So now let's discuss floor division. Now we already discussed floor division, right? So now let's discuss how floor division calculates the result. So before we discuss what is floor division, let's first define floor of a number. So the floor of a real number a is the largest integer less than or equal to a. So floor of 5.13, largest integer less than 5.13. 5, right? Floor of 5, largest integer equal to 5, which is 5. Now floor of 2.9999, so largest integer less than 2.99, which is 2. Now please concentrate. So now this definition is very important for this negative number. Floor of minus 4.1. So now what is the floor of positive number? 4.1, 4, right? But if we are taking minus 4.1, then floor of minus 4.1 is minus 5. So now let's check how floor calculates the result, so we can understand what is floor division. So for that, let me use number line. So as you can see, here is the number line. So now let's first calculate floor of 5.13. So this is number line. So here is 5. Here is somewhere 5.13 and here is 6. So as per our definition, the floor of a real number a is the largest integer less than or equal to a. So largest integer less than 5.13 is 5 because 6 is greater than 5.13. Please remember this. So here output is 5. So 5 is the largest integer less than 5.13. So that's why here is 5. So please remember, in floor, if the value is positive, then you can truncate this fractional part after decimal point. Then output is 5. Like here as well, output is 2. This is not true if your number is negative real number. If we truncate this fractional part after decimal point, then output is -4. But actual output is -5. So now let's check how floor calculates this value -5. So please concentrate over here. Again, I am using number line. So let me take -4 over here and here somewhere -4.1 and here is -5. So as per our definition, the floor of a real number a is the largest integer less than or equal to a. So here the largest integer less than or equal to a. But here the result is not -4. Why? Because -4 is greater than -4.1. But as per our definition, we require the largest integer less than or equal to a. So the largest integer less than -4.1 is -5. So that's why here is -5. So this way floor calculates the result. Exactly same way we can calculate the result for floor division as well. Let me show you this. So now what is floor division? Largest integer less than or equal to the result of a divided by b. So now I have taken this example. You can see here this one. So now you can easily calculate the output for positive numbers. So now let me show you for negative numbers. This one. So again, what is floor division? Largest integer less than or equal to the result of a divided by b. So here result of a divided by b is 5.25 and because of minus sign, here is minus sign. So we can't truncate the fractional part after decimal point because this is negative number. So let me draw number line. So let me take here -5 and here somewhere -5.25 and here somewhere -6. Also you can take 5.0 and 6.0. As you can see, as per our definition, largest integer less than or equal to the result of a divided by b. So here result of a divided by b and we are interested in largest integer less than or equal to the result of a divided by b. So here please remember 5.0 which is greater than -5.25 and we want largest integer less than or equal to the result of a divided by b. So the result is not -5.0 but result is -6.0 which is largest integer less than -5.25. That's why the result is -6.0. Please remember this. So this way floor division calculates the result. Hope you are clear with this. Still if you are having any doubt, please write in the comment section below. So now next. So here I have taken strings. A is equal to Priyank and B is equal to Bharat. As you can see here, both are strings. So we can operate this addition and multiplication on strings as well. So if you perform A plus B, please remember both are capitalized. Sorry for that. So if you take A plus B, it will perform concatenation of two strings that you can see over here. Output is Priyank, but concatenate A and B. So when you are using addition with two strings, it performs concatenation. But please remember, so here both arguments must be string. Otherwise Python will generate error. Same for multiplication. Here you can see string multiply by 2. Repeat A, B times. So output will be Priyank, Priyank 2 times. Again, please remember here one argument must be integer type. Otherwise Python will generate error. Here also you can write 2 into Priyank. Again it will repeat this Priyank 2 times. Same over here. But here one argument must be integer type. Otherwise Python will generate error. Hope all of you are clear with arithmetic operators. Still if you are having some doubt, please write in the comment section below. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you like this video, smash that like button. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.